Okay, hey, it's Eric Shircliff again at Ibicon Realcomm 214. I'm here with Tom Shircliff from IntelligentBuildings.com. Another conference. We talked to you last year. How's this Ibicon Realcomm going for you?
Yeah, I think the difference this year, last year when we talked, the conference was really focused on analytics, a specific technology topic. And what we heard this year at the general session is we're crossing that chasm where we have all the pieces. So what we're focused on and we're hearing a lot about is how do we get started. We even developed these advisory things called starter kits. You're building a new building, you want to put in analytics or you want to deal with security. What are the first 4 or 5 things you do to get started? We're not waiting on the technology.
Well, tell me about the starter kit. What's entailed in that?
Well, I'll give you an example on security, for example. IT security is not a new concept, and even IT audits is not a new concept. So we're not reinventing the wheel. We're taking the best practices that have existed and melding it into the building world. And what we found out in the building world is it's not as much about enterprise IT like it is in most corporate environments. It's more about the vendors, right? They manage your HVAC, your elevators, your lighting, right? So it's about creating a set of standards that the vendors need to comply to make it good for the building owner.
So you guys are primarily in the consulting business, right?
That's right, advisory and consulting, and then we take that advice and then we can help implement that and help pick vendors and actually make it happen.
One of the things we're hearing more and more, and I think Darryl talked about it one of the sessions we were at, is really how do you get everybody collaborated in such a way that you take full advantage of the system and you get it implemented. So it seems like bringing somebody like you in can save a ton of money in the short and long term.
I think we do with a lot of smart customers. They would eventually get there, but as you say, I think we can get them there faster with less risk and make quicker decisions.
Yeah, it's amazing to me when you talk to people how many people in these companies don't talk to each other. The IT guy doesn't even know who the building automation guy is and stuff like that, and then with internet security and things like that. It seems like one of your biggest things is how do you get these guys in, sitting down, talking the same language?
Organizational alignment is what we spend the most time on, and really that's about common languages, really, and it's trying to make the facilities folks and the IT folks and the C-suite all speak the common language towards the same goal. And those goals usually exist. It's just rolling them up between the departments.
Nice. How do people find out more about your company?
IntelligentBuildings.com.
Be sure to check them out. IntelligentBuildings.com.
Thanks, Tom. Great to see you.
You too, brother.